Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the H9 Max Smartwatch, one of the latest sports smartwatch in the market in the budget category. And on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design. We'll check the specs if there's any details here on the box, as well as its UI. So if you are interested to see the design of the H9 Max and other details about the smartwatch, watch this video. So before you purchase this one, if you are planning to get the H9 Max, watch this video first so you can decide whether this wearable is for you or not. And again, of course, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and have the unboxing review of the H9 Max Smartwatch. So let's remove it from its packaging. Okay, do we have a user manual? So we have a user manual here. So it is using HRY Fine application. I'm not sure if this is the user manual, as it states here, smart handling manual, although we do have the smartwatch. We'll check it later on the support app here on the smartwatch, the QR code. We have the charging cable, USB type A, magnetic charging cradle, and of course we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so we do have here circular button, flexible silicone strap. So let's remove this first so we can check out the design. Okay, so we do have here a glossy plastic back cover. So this one, metal body frame. Okay, semi-gloss body frame. We have a crown button, flexible silicone strap with quick release pin. Okay, based on the specs here, it's 2.01 inch. Okay, LCD screen, IPS LCD screen. Let's check out the details here. Okay, 20 millimeter for the strap, 12.6 millimeter for the thickness, 39 millimeter for the width. Okay, it has a feature for calls. Okay, Bluetooth call. So it features a microphone, dial function. What else do we have here? Multi sports mode. And we have other details here. Heart rate monitoring. So there's a details for, or there's a feature for heart rate monitoring. Okay, 2.01 inch. So alloy for the body frame. And that's it. So there's no more details about the wearable. Okay, so let's check. Okay, instead of relying on the specs page, product page, let's just check it here. So 0.0 with the strap attached. So it is around 43.68. If we remove the strap, so it's a bit heavy due to the alloy body frame, metal body frame here, 31.91 grams. For the dimension, so it says on the specs page, it is around 11 millimeter. Let's see. So it is 11.0, 49, 39. Let's see. So 39. So the width is 39. For the length, let's see. So it is 47. Let's make it sure. So 47. Then for the strap, it is 20. Yes, the same with the details on the product page. Again, this is the H9 Max Smartwatch. On the product page, the smartwatch looks slim, but here it's a bit thick for its body frame, around 11.0 mm. Usually it is 10.0 for this body frame. Okay, and let's attach this one. Okay, so for the specifications, going to turn this on first and add the specs here. Okay, so here's the specs for the H9 Max Smartwatch. Again, here's the design for this new sports smartwatch. We do have a crown button. Let's see if this is rotary. Metal body frame, glossy black cover, pogo pin, USB Type-A charging cable, and we have a sporty silicone strap with a quick release pin. Okay, so let's see if this will change. Yes, it is rotary. We have notifications on top. On the bottom part, we have the sliding window for its menus on the left side. Okay, grid type for common applications, widgets for the right side. You can add your own if you want. Okay, so the typical menus that we have seen from other wearable, and seems like it is using the HR Wi-Fi app based on the operating system of this wearable. Okay, again, this is the H9 Max Smartwatch. So if you are planning to get one, what do you think of this smartwatch? On our next video, we are going to present to you the different menus and features loaded to the H9 Max Smartwatch.